Hello everybody, my name is Abdulrahman and today we're gonna film a cemetery. It's actually abandoned. It's actually a pet cemetery. There's not much history of it because I couldn't find, but we're just gonna have a look and see what we come across. Okay. So we are here at this cemetery. So like I said, there's not that much history on this cemetery. I just came across it. I just wanted to film and let you guys know that it's only meant for animal cemeteries, for pets, not for humans. So there'll be a lot of animals here from like 19s, the 18s, sometimes 2000. So yeah, let's see what we come across. Wow. It's really beautiful. So the best part about this cemetery, it actually has like it's like a pond. It's really cool. It just looks really amazing how somebody decided to make a cemetery near a pond. It's just incredible. Look what I found, you guys. A Christmas tree in a cemetery. It's beautiful. So yeah, so this is what I was trying to tell you. There's actually a pond, and actually it looks like it's frozen. Well, some parts of the pond is frozen. Wow. Man, let me see if I can walk. If I can just walk. Whoa. Wow. This is incredible. Wow. This is actually like a beautiful pet cemetery. It just looks amazing, to be honest. It looks beautiful. It just looks really beautiful where it's actually set. How it looks where they put it looks just like amazing. Just like the view, it just looks like, it looks amazing. That's how it looks. So there's a tiny trail here. I'm trying to see where it leads to. So here we go. So this is a tiny trail that leads in the same graveyard. Here's the lake or tiny pond. Here's where we're going. Here. Wow. This gets, oh, it stinks here really bad. Yuck. Wow. Oh shoot. Man, it stinks. Stinks really bad, to be honest. Wow. Like here, it's like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's similar to the pond. It's a tiny pond. Man, this is what a true adventure is. Going places you don't know where it's actually gonna end up. Wow, so this trail just keeps going and going. Whoa. It still stinks though. I don't know what is the smell, but it's just like it's like weeks of old things. Wow. Wow. Oh man, I have to be careful here. I don't want to poke my eye in accident. So many trees here. Wow. Goes in circles. Wow. I'm just impressed. Oh man. Ooh, okay. There. Ooh. Be careful. Oh yeah. There. No more bushes. But yeah. Look how it looks, guys. Look how muddy it is. Super muddy. Wow. Oh man. Just the view of this looks amazing. Man. I keep saying this, but whoever planted this graveyard here for pets, it has an amazing view though. And beautiful view. Man, look at that. Man, I hope I don't get hurt or fall down. But like I said, this is a true adventure right there. You don't know what's gonna happen or where you're gonna lead up to. Again with this bushes. Oh man. Well. Oh no. It's still gone. Look at the amazing view. Just look at it. It looks beautiful, to be honest. There are a lot of thorns here. To be really careful. Holy snap, look guys. Whoa. I don't know what kind of animal this is. But yeah, wait. Let me just get my flashlight out. Are you guys seeing this? Whoa. It's a huge hole. Let me see. Sorry for that. Whoa. It's creepy though. It just keeps going. Whoa. I actually had mud in my lens because it's like whatever animal that is, it's just like it was still red though and it was still raining, so whoever animal that was, I don't know if it was a snake, but it wasn't a tarantula, I don't think so, but whoever it was, it's like a tunnel. It's a big tunnel. It's just so amazing. So if you guys want to see more about these places or more abandoned places or more exploration, subscribe to my channel, like us on Facebook, and share and subscribe. Alright, see you guys on Saturday. Oh, almost forgot. I'm gonna start filming Saturdays and Tuesdays. That's the only 2 days I'm gonna start filming. So yes, so I'll see you guys